An American monkey, after getting drunk on a brandy, would never touch it again, and thus is much wiser than most men. The very essence of instinct is that it's followed independently of reason. Man tends to increase at a greater rate than his means of substance. A moral being is one who is capable of reflecting on his past actions and their motives, of approving of some and disapproving of others. We must, however, acknowledge, as it seems to me, that man with all his noble qualities still bears in his bodily frame the indelible stamp of his lowly origin. A scientific man ought to have no wishes, no affections, a mere heart of stone. A man's friendships are one of the best measures of his worth. I cannot persuade myself that a beneficent and omnipotent God would have designed created parasitic wasps with the express intention of their feeding within the living bodies of caterpillars. It is not the strongest of the species that survives, not the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is most adaptable to change. If I had my life to live over again, I would have made a rule to read some poetry and listen to some music at least once every week. A man who dares to waste 1 hour of time has not discovered the value of life. The love for all living creatures is the most noble attribute of man.